Alright, well, our new parts are strapped in the trailer. Alright, so we got it out of the trailer, but it looks pretty good. One thing I did not see is this little bit of damage right under here. Well, it's hitting there. But we should be able to deal with that. We might just be replacing some pieces anyway, otherwise we might have to straighten it and redo it, we'll see. But it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Finally back, and I'm really excited to finally have these parts. My brother, who lended me his car and trailer, came over and helped me unload this big piece and get it into the garage. So I'm really happy it's finally here. We also got a door and a couple other small pieces that we needed. I guess the next step is to take off the muffler, also the rear subframe and suspension components, and the gas tank so it doesn't blow up when we're working on it and cutting and welding. Alright, well, tires are off, and looks like the next piece we gotta take off is the muffler, so I guess let's start working on it. Alright, so for the muffler, we're gonna have to take off all these muffler mounts. We're going to have to find the joint up here somewhere where we can disconnect it. So we have to take off these two bolts right here, holding the subframe, and then these 4 bolts up front, or these 2. I'm pretty sure I'm going to take off those ones though. So I guess let's try to see where we can lower the muffler. Alright, well it does look like we're gonna have to take off the muffler all the way to the front. So I guess let's lift up the front also and take off the tires quick. Alright, well we just had to run to the store and grab some deep well sockets and a big extension I decided to grab. We need a 10 mil for the bottom of those 4 and 11 mil for the top. I had to find out what they were. And then also to replace the CV axle up front, I'm going to need a 16 and an 18. So that's why I got that. All right, I guess let's get back to working on it. Alright, well sadly all it seems we managed to do today was to buy some tools and get off 1 nut, which was destroyed, and snap off 3 others. So I guess now we have that to fix also. Alright, well it is quite cold out this morning, but we need to get back working on this thing and get this video done. Sadly, with how long it's taking, I'm not sure we're gonna get to much anything more in this video than just trying to take these components off, because it's taking me quite a while. Yesterday I was having problems with cameras and storage space and everything like that, so I didn't even get to do absolutely anything pretty much. I got to video for like 30 minutes and I literally got out 4 bolts. So it didn't work very well. So I guess we're gonna try to get a little bit done today, then I have to head out, but then hopefully tonight we'll get some more done and then probably be posting this video. So I guess let's just get right to it. There's the first one. It's on the ground. That is for sure not something I'm going to be putting back up by myself. At least I sure don't plan on it. Alright, well there's our subframe. There we go. There's what under the car looks like now. There's where the muffler was. There's our fuel tank we gotta drop. So I guess the next step is to deal with some of these brake lines, some of this heat shields, and that gas tank. Alright, well thanks for watching. If you want to like and subscribe, that would be a big encouragement to me. Also leave a comment down below with anything you'd like to see in the future or anything I could do better. I guess the next step is to take off the gas tank completely and then start cutting on it, hopefully. Unless we have to pull off some brake lines or little stuff like that. So I guess that's going to be the end of this video. Sorry it wasn't much, but I want to post it to have something out there just for this week. And next week should be a lot better. So I guess see you later.